Okay, let's start talking about fractions. Before we get too deep into fractions, we need to discuss some terminology. Okay? There are three different types of fractions. We have proper fractions. These are fractions where our top number, our numerator, just the number on top, is smaller than our number on the bottom, which is called the denominator. Okay? So, anytime you've looked at a recipe and seen the cup sizes that you would use, right? 1/3, 1/2 cup, quarter cup. The number on top is always smaller than the number on bottom. That's a proper fraction. This is the type of fraction that you can do lots of stuff with. It looks good. People don't look at it sideways and it's walking down the street because it looks weird. Okay? This is a good fraction. The next one is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is any fraction in which the number on top, my numerator, is bigger than the number on bottom, my denominator. What this means is typically I need to simplify my fraction because they don't typically like these as a final answer unless it specifically asks. Okay, but sometimes you have to use improper fractions in order to do your math with them, so they're useful. Think of an improper fraction like a bobblehead. Right? It's a big head and an itty bitty body. Okay? With a big top and an itty bitty bottom. Alright? So, bobblehead. Mixed fractions. Sometimes they're called mixed fractions, sometimes they're called mixed numbers. The idea with a mixed number is you have whole numbers, which is my 2 here, coupled with a fraction. Now sometimes this fraction will be proper, sometimes this fraction will be improper. Either way, it's still called a mixed number because it's mixing whole numbers with fractions. Okay. And just as a reminder, any fraction, the top one is called my numerator. My bottom is my denominator. Okay? If you have trouble remembering which one is which, remember the denominator is down. Okay? And my numerator is the number up. That may help you remember which one goes where. Okay? Typically, when we talk about fractions, you will see them expressed this way. If you're working through your packet that we've given, you will see them expressed as shapes as well. I'll go over that briefly in the next clip, okay? It is the same thing, it's just a physical representation of the numbers rather than showing you the numbers